So this is IFTEX Clean System G, and if you ask me what is this is your solution for E20 fuel when your vehicle is not E20 compliant. So this is basically for car. For two-wheelers and three-wheelers I have already posted a separate video. So this I got from like Amazon for around 320 rupees. So be careful, like for car it is different, and for two-wheeler or three-wheeler it is different. So this basically what it does is like increases your fuel economy and removes any deposits from the injectors or combustion chambers. So basically it will kind of clean your entire fuel system and parts of engine also. And if overall it will give you more mileage and good drivability, and it will not harm this catalytic converter. So also the smoke will be reduced. And what I people say is like you can find the difference from second refuel onward. So like you empty this bottle, buy another bottle, empty that one also, and from the third refuel of this one with your E20 petrol, you will notice the difference. And so here is a measuring one, measuring thing. So from it has 10 ml. So first time you need to put 10 ml, and after that 1 ml per each, 1 ml for each liter of petrol. So suppose you are filling 10 liter of petrol, you need to put this 10 ml. So it might take 2-3 refuels for noticing the difference, but it will definitely help you because the reviews says, and I will also post a user review of using this product. And also if you are using this, so first put this and then fill the fuel because it will be easier to mix. And you should avoid getting this contact with your skin, and try to put this in open area. So it's recommended to put this first and then the fuel, and use it normally. No need for additional idling or something. It will start working on its own. So I'll paste the product link in the video description. And so basically this is the solution for E20 fuel, which is forcefully brought into our vehicles. Like when your vehicle is E5 or E10 compliant and the fuel available is only E20 apart from XP100 or which is very limited. So this kind of solutions we can use and try. It's better to do something and try something than doing nothing at all. So I'll post the detailed video soon. So do subscribe my channel and wait for updates further. Thank you.